Last week, I made approximately $1,694 with affiliate marketing using a brand new strategy that requires no money to start and relies on 100% free traffic. This method doesn't need any previous technical skills or knowledge because we'll be using AI to do the hard work. If you follow this step-by-step tutorial consistently, you will see amazing results. I started this method last week and have already made over $1,700 on a new ClickBank account. The commissions are coming in consistently, and even though there might be a few days without sales, the sales that do come in are substantial. I expect to finish this month with $4,000 in commissions, all without spending money on ads. Let's continue with today's video. To get started, head over to clickbank.com. This is the affiliate marketing platform I've been using to test out this new method. If you don't have access to ClickBank, you can use other platforms like Impact, Warrior Plus, or Digistore24. They all have products you can promote, so you're not limited to just one platform. Now, most advice online tells you to find the most popular product or the one paying the most commissions. This is terrible advice, especially for beginners. Think of it like fishing for the first time. You wouldn't go where experienced fishers with better equipment are because they would catch more fish than you. Similarly, new affiliate marketers shouldn't go for the highest selling, most competitive products. Instead, focus on products that are less popular but still high quality. An easy way to find such products on ClickBank is by using CB Engine. It might look complicated, but I'll walk you through it. On the left-hand side, click on CB New Products. Here, you'll find new affiliate products listed on the ClickBank marketplace. These new products have less competition, which is a goldmine for us. Sort these new products by gravity to find the best ones. The top 3 products are likely to be the best money makers. For example, if we choose a tarot reading product, copy its title and search for it on Google. You'll see the potential for this product and the competition level. Notice that there are no ads for this product on Google, which means you could run ads and rank at the top, but we're focusing on 100% free traffic today. You can see content about the product on LinkedIn or Medium, where people review and promote it through their affiliate links. This is a powerful way to drive traffic. Other methods include creating YouTube videos, making your own website, promoting on Pinterest, or even using Reddit. There are many ways to promote these new ClickBank products using free traffic. When people find content promoting these products, they click on the affiliate links, leading to sales and commissions for you. By using this strategy, you can generate significant income without spending money on ads. This is an amazing opportunity to stand out and make money online, especially as a beginner. Step number 2. Choosing your distribution channel and creating content. Now that we know the potential of this strategy and the various ways to promote new and emerging products, the next step is to choose a distribution channel. While platforms like Medium are effective, the most powerful format for marketing is video. Here's why and how to create videos without showing your face or doing hard work. Why choose video? Videos are more engaging and connect better with audiences. Most people prefer watching a video over reading an article because it's easier and more enjoyable. Videos can capture and retain attention much better, which can significantly increase your sales. How to create videos with AI. You don't need to record yourself or show your face. Instead, use AI to create videos quickly and easily. Here's a step-by-step guide to doing this. 1. Select a product. Using the method from the previous step, choose a new product to promote. 2. Gather content. Find an existing article related to the product. For example, if promoting a tarot reading product, find an article that reviews or discusses it. Rewriting the article. 1. Use ChatGPT. Copy the article and paste it into ChatGPT. Use a prompt to rewrite the article in a persuasive style. For instance, prompt. Rewrite this article in the style that Dan Kennedy would write, including calls to action. Example output. ChatGPT will transform the content to be more engaging and persuasive, adding calls to action like, click the link in the description for a free tarot reading. Creating the video. 1. Use InVideo AI. Go to InVideo AI, a tool that can create videos from text. 2. Paste the article. Paste the rewritten article into InVideo AI. 3. Generate the video. InVideo AI will generate a video complete with voiceover, visuals, and music based on the text you provided. This process only takes a few minutes. 4. Customize for audience. You can select the target audience, such as spiritual seekers or self-development enthusiasts, to tailor the video's tone and content. Upload and optimize. 1. Upload to YouTube. Once the video is ready, upload it to YouTube. 2. Optimize for SEO. Include relevant keywords, a compelling title, and a detailed description with your affiliate link. 3. Promote your video. Share the video on social media, forums, and other platforms to drive traffic. Final script. Efficient and focused guide to video editing and uploading for affiliate marketing success. The next step is to show you the icing on the cake to ensure this video performs well and you get tons of sales. We need to edit the video first. Click the edit button to add the rest of the script. Don't worry about the iStock watermark. It will disappear once we export the video. One great feature of InVideo is that you can replace any scene. For example, if you want to replace a scene with tarot cards, search for tarot cards and select a suitable image. Replace the image, hit apply, and it will be added to your video. To edit the script, go to the top, click the plus button, and add the text for each chapter. Go back through the article, add each paragraph, and click Apply Changes. Once you've imported the rest of the article and are happy with the video, hit Export and then Export Video. The video will save directly to your computer, ready for the next step, uploading and monetizing. Upload and monetize your video. 1. Upload to YouTube. Ensure your channel looks professional. Have a nice logo, banner, and a good thumbnail. The banner is important but not critical. I recommend using a graphic design tool like Canva for free graphics. It even has AI features for creating unique images. 2. Create channel graphics. CB Engine. Logo. Search for YouTube logo on Canva. Choose a design, customize it for your niche, for example, spiritual YouTube logo, and download it. Thumbnail. Similarly, search for YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Choose a design, customize it, and download. 3. Upload video. Go to YouTube, click Create, and then Upload Video. Drag your InVideo export and drop it into YouTube Studio. Depending on your internet speed, uploading might take 10 minutes to an hour. 4. Optimize video. Description. Add a detailed description. Use ChatGPT to create engaging descriptions. Affiliate link. Add your affiliate link from ClickBank. Get your affiliate link, paste it into the YouTube description and comment section. 5. Promote and monetize. Share the video on social media, forums, and other platforms to drive traffic. When viewers click your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. This method combines the power of affiliate marketing with free traffic from Google and YouTube, converting viewers into paying customers. By leveraging AI tools like InVideo and Canva, you can create professional videos and graphics quickly and for free. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. For more great affiliate marketing strategies, check out the video on the screen right now. Thanks again, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.